Hello my people, I don't come again with this another ogbonge story, this another ogbonge gist, another ogbonge news, my people. This gist not be small thing, carry weight for ground. I no even understand where this social media dey carry person dey go again. I no even understand wetin dey happen for this world again. E come be like say the world dey worse the more, no be say e dey better. E no dey even dey better. This 2022, the way wey me dey see this thing, so everything go get as e be. E go really strong for ground, no be small thing, because this social media matter dey waka so. My people, no be small thing. For one problem to another, person go finish for this one. Was this say saga don still reduce? Was this say another person go still raise am or come up again? Before you know, was this say e don still end? Was this say again another problem again? Person go still raise am up. My people, this matter of social media don tire me. We no know who to trust again. How can you friends go dey waka, the other one go dey condemn the other one? At the end of it, I dey call that jealousy, because if no be so, I never see the reason wey be say una call una sef friend. At the end of the day, this one go condemn this one go condemn that one. E no good at all. And una dey act film. Una suppose to give us good example. Na so e suppose to be. That good example really is supposed to dey very very important. I no even understand this social media these days. And no be say at least una suppose to settle am between una sef. No be say una come carry am dey come social media. We know say friend dey betray friend. No be today we don see am. Friend dey betray friend. You never see many wey be say they go collect your husband, they go call you their friend, they go come collect your husband, born for themselves, sit down there, you no get anything you wan do. Many things wey friends dey do these days. E don tey wey we don know. So all these things, una no need am at all. Una need focus. How una go take produce film for this 2022? I rest my case for here. Abeg my people, make I leave una watch this video till the end. Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening, depend on where una dey watch this video from. If today na una first time wey una dey across this channel, abeg make una no forget to subscribe, to like, and to turn on the notification bell, so that anytime when I upload video, e go dey sound and e go dey knack for una phone kpaka. So all my returning subscribers, I say may the Lord Almighty bless una for even supporting me. May the Lord Almighty continue to bless una. And for those who never subscribe, abeg make una subscribe and turn off that notification bell, and make una leave una comment below, so that anytime when I see, I go see answer una. Una dey take care. Bye bye.
Boy kwe wa mama we yele ni yale le kwe wa ne no pa we yele ni yale le kwe. That's their kind of friendship. So there's never a time. There was never a time where they were not friends. So this one, so for Prince Henry, I think I've corrected you. So you should have stopped all those things before this thing escalated. Not go the right quote. I hate people who try to cover their shit up with quotes. When a quote here Facebook, when a quote here to Nigeria. And all of you were here yesterday. We were here at Enoge's live show yesterday. Please guys, share the video, because I'm going to actually play the audio that started that voice note. I go play the audio today, and I go tell you now why I did respect somebody that make me not play the full audio. After Maris go write all those things for Facebook, she go write everything, write the long note, long letter, say this one, that one. Now the thing really got me pissed off, because me wa like one always ni wa agree ye nana more way. Thank you, John. Welcome. Iwa ta ewe nana more way. Iwa hen. I will just know how to follow it. But a pretty price. Oh, you're talking pretty price in confess today. So You not fit force me to play audio now. I need to talk. I not fit just come. I not be mad woman. I not be like all those people where they mad for Facebook. Where your car, they play audio. I must talk before I play audio. Calm down. You calm down. I will play audio. Calm down.
This is not your job.
Calm down. I'm not be saga person. So not be my work with this. And I they try to do the things in my own way. So calm down. So now they make me they forget wetin. If you know say you know if stay till I play the audio, may you they go. Don't be by force say you dey here. Okay? I hate when people are too like nosy. If you cannot wait, then go. I can't no. I'm so. You are video was on play audio. I'm marking. That 24-bit is too strong, go. I don't want that. May I continue with how they talk? So, yesterday I'd already sent message to Maris. I don't send message to Prince Annie because I actually saw his quote where they quote the post. Yesterday, it took Enoge 4 days. Took Enoge 4 days to actually convince all of us today on the live stream. But unfortunately, yesterday, fortunately, not be unfortunately, your mama, you know, baby now, now when baby sleeps more, you go sleep, but they don't sleep for night. So she was already sleeping when Enoge actually called him. But I know that one day she'll be able to talk by herself. Always because everyone know that what I don't know that marry all day. Marry on tell monuga beg each no don't allow no ye we no go produce fi wo ga in ya no go have produce fi me na we dey target a first movie I produced it. My sister when I take to tell you now I say go calm down. You are getting too much. You see the way you disgrace yourself yesterday on the live stream. You were talking about just I don't know how to put it. Just nagging. Who they blame me for there? Who be that one they blame me? I want to tell almost world direct. Some people don't even they get sense. I want to tell Ebony that Ebony no as Ebony big, she no get sense. Say she they insult elders. Some people do it while you go, so while they are figure raw. Why you feel so much now? So at the age of 30s or late 30s, so everybody man and woman here tana in dano. Some of you are just too dull. Oh no, why problem on the society man? Also the Nigerian man let it grow because all of you always think with one side. You always think with one side because you know you have to say I forgot call Ebony for phone. Ebony go apologize.
The lowest class.
No.
Yeah, the best person.
Me not talk put now no one.
Sorry.
Ebony way be say he not even fit talk well for live video yesterday. You guys were all listening to her yesterday when she they shout. Now that kind of kind of phone go they call. Some of your brain just get the way it be. And it's a pity that you guys are from my state and you guys are the same with me from this one state. So the thing sometimes they make me feel bad. Not be by education they say they get sense. Some people they will not even go primary school where even get brain. You get it. So Ebony, you came on this thing yesterday and you were looking for reason why make me no want to play the full audio because I don't want to drag other people inside. Ebony had a boyfriend, one native doctor wey dey inside upper. The man dey inside upper now guy, na native doctor. The man even get wife. A guy no. So if it's not the liye kiye ya we fi mi we guy ni. So Ebony beg first now we film the bar. Ebony now reacted. When Ebony react here, Ebony made it calm down. So she went to Facebook. Ona ya agben Facebook. That was when Maris knew there was fire on the mountain. So Maris now called the director. No gare sete. Festina no hamage. Oko Festina yari ati ye wodo. Ma deti Maris. Maris oto boy gwa. That is my point inside. Okay, the Maris ya taladian. That is my point. But since Ebony dollar that no do you bug budu or when ya gwa. Baby girl, try to calm down. You should sometimes you know they even they sometimes they even they try to protect it. If Maris not write all those nonsense which she write for Facebook. That's why I don't know to come where me. Mo wa where again ni manale le we kwe o maga kubo na I love you he love you now. I want to take the blame. There was no need going from one corner to one corner. Writing, this one I teach me, this one not being teach me, this one I this one not being that, this one, that was nonsense, Maris. If you are watching me, because I know you are watching me. Ebony, I know you are watching me also. Anyway, I borrow anybody, no give. I'm not watching when I walk when it's just fake account. When I walk account, not say 50 where I'm not watching. If you are when I want to share, that is your personal business. Only my comment was if you are what made the result okay. That is for that. So everybody latia, everybody now do bug butu know the way. Make they play all before. Everybody 1 year before do abi. 1 year before I will play for you. When you when I play before do not what to what we are sharing, you know, to make people keeping audio. Why are you two-faced? Why you are scared? Why are you two-faced? Why are you here and here? Or Facebook, people are keeping audio just to destroy you on a day, blah blah blah. Because when you think, I don't like people who don't think. But now that same post you go share her. The same you go call live video, call the talk say when you have the remaining video. When you have the remaining audio, and you have cut but the audio was not cut. Because I didn't the industry that made it Maris Maya say, but you guys are just far from each other, like and then Maris say, I just only use her for my movie. Maris is a mechanic actor. You guys are just doing that to yourself until 2019. The London issue Dore were not to take close because she wanted to go to London. Congratulations, you're in the UK. And I pray that anything you went to look for there, God will give you. But stop lying. Because with lies, you cannot achieve anything in life. That is just the truth. With lies, you can never achieve anything in life. That's just the truth. So, Ebony, where you are Latian, Ebony Tese Morocco. That's what you see in my I make this one, I do this one, I build this one, I build this one. Come on, I have the secret. Where Bonnie, when I have a secret together, where Ladian is seeing me, where a 10,000 pounds you do where Geo Vision, 10,000 pounds, and that was G. And that was G. I'm sorry, director, where you are married the talk. I'm sorry, I need to play your audio because I need to clarify you. Because already, everybody don't already know who Maris they talk with, but Maris don't tell her who she talk with. But she never really tell her how they take talk. She still they lie because she feel say we not go fit play the audio. So that makes she they lie. You were angry with Festina because you went to shoot in your man friend's house or there. Or then I shoot you over, so we were angry. And me, maybe Festina then I can play the audio because I want to hear from Festina also because everybody talking like okay, no there. Now Festina, when I am bona how you tell no Festina we what they can direct. Or one day you have mama you got the location. One day muya. So that was what got Ebony angry. So all says Oriyan with Festina, you know maro because you not fed Oboni and Festina me ene. And Ebony when miamia where even where a snatcher over where a rag bona can eat day. The snatcher over where Boni a rag bona can eat day. May the soul of Sister Eileen Rest in peace. Ebony, we can snatch up the obey our former colleague. May also rest in peace. I make no man snatch him of Obama. Ruda wa me person ya shoot me wo where a my friend you were. Uka no sunu ezo dene. Iya ga magui e no season ni ya me kamu wena. E me kamu wana. So since you that you tell me that why I ain't no de ma yo blog budu matale nonsense. I would in a tete na ladian. I said I will come out just once, and that once will be Liberation Day. I want to liberate many men who are under bondage in the hands of my own colleague, Ebony Obasui. There are so many men in your hands. They are under bondage. So many men in your hand that are under bondage. And you know it. You know it. So I was just thinking, since we are settling the issue, let it just die down. Then I will come another day, maybe during weekend, then they are free. I will come and I will do a liberation day. That will be the end. You know when you want to liberate people, liberation day. Liberation, when you want to liberate people, like say, let me help people, because many women are suffering in their husband's house. Many people have called me to tell me about how you have, what you have done to them. But you still come on social media and be blabbing and be talking. My darling, better change your ways. The end time is real, oh, like heaven is real. The bondage Nianje is too much. So that day I'm going to do a live video called Liberation Day. That will be my topic. So, may I not to talk too much. Mr. Director, I don't say you they watch me. Don't be angry. I'm playing this your audio. I want to play the beginning of the last of the waiting really that marries and the person audio. You only nana kukugbe no rhyme. Because since everybody only ye need even no higher rhyme here. So I want to rhyme it for Ebony. Ebony, that was not a call conversation. It was an audio to audio. Audio to audio, audio to audio, audio to audio. I just already brought out the part there so that you might only see my way lagwe because I don't pay the full audio now. Why do I want to him? Me my yoga bude, my no budget, man. So me may understand. So Ebony so why we lobo Obonyo pagi client to where my yet here with me Obony you were angry. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about? It's not for you to come out yesterday and just say, okay, now I understand. Because after you talk, I actually talk again. Well, I done okay, easy now I understand. You let the matter just die down. You came out, you were bragging up and down. Bragging up and down. Bragging up and down. Una yon bo, what mama yagbe wewa. Ema vejo. So imagine they only see my way by because iguale me. But the only thing I want now because I only see your boy by I only see because I swear near the Johnny. I only swear near because igual a problem with anybody. Everybody when a problem with and I will handle you myself. You understand? I will handle it myself. Dragging other people inside doesn't make sense. Iranian season here, that was how Festina Peters and Ebony became enemies. They were never quarreling just because Ebony ba Onaya Festina Banaya waiting me where okay. Before you know, Ebony Benelele Eyane with Facebook. I use my name to shop at Duro, blah 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 bash. So guys, me I carry my speaker. I'm gonna share this video because guy, if you are here for the first time, please like my page. If you are here for the first time, like my page. Like my page, or if you are here for the first time, just like this page and after all this wahala wey dey, because our elders are already in the matter, and I know very soon they're going to settle it. So maybe I will not even be coming out again, but I must do one video. Even if our elders don't settle the matter, I must still do one video where I will tag Liberation Day. I want to really liberate the men where they. So I want to liberate the men where they, where you say, they make myself, I want it to agbe. I want beg actress. I want beg actress. What here, actress? I want to have a phone. Anybody who have a job in London, a phone call. You man. I want my phone. I want here. May I come greet you for us? You not go host me. You do your do it here. This conversation one place. So now marriage now actually starts the conversation. So now go listen to me and now go listen attentively. Babe, send out for my Italian line, I beg. If you want any audio, I just salute. Or are we from now? The audio for that one for 24-bit and up. We don't already settle those one. Overe no we show why we ma send ya again, so there's no need coming here because that audio go cause katakata. Maybe before you know, if other presenter will come join because on my gele more jogger. A godfather in Yagwa, no everybody will call it 3 of my colleagues. They told me that I only call them at night. They gave Yagu way audio ne Osas. Because my only that said the 24-bit, you want to make it a saga of no Osas or any here. Me Yagu way a video no Osas. They called me. But to confirm everything, here wa gele we pon your power we a group here ni wa we wa call them pian here wa call them pian. So Ebony, you swear yesterday say if you really do one. Ebony tie ni ina ba we okay. Melise gbe na ba we oge Ebony o se gbe me, but imana ba oge Eboya fenu tie egbe wori Ebony Ebony le ni we ko eni ni wo to bo we mu le gbo so o se enu na feel Eboya nu tie no de nu na atage o ma won anybody tito oge Imelise gbe me na ba we oge Eboya nu tie ni o se gbe me, but imana ba we oge you're gonna yak on social media. Eboya nutie best or your basui best or basui. Eboya fe nutie be working a yard ye. Best a normal or basui. That's your full name. Best a normal or basui. Everything will go back to you. Dina toge nyawe. Tu on a gele mwe phone tie colleague man or we video no sasi we wagu we video ne we mege. Isi mare a London wama we video ne uke we you were warning people ebonu we tie ni ina ba oge eboni o jegbe me but imana ba oge best a normal obasui everything will go back to you. Normal say me, ya ti normal no mama we no ni we gbe ti ni nebo. Ni we gbe ti because you make a mistake you but normal we no normal say me. E normal say best e basu ebo me na ba we oge. Ebo ya nu ti no de ogele de nyame but imana ba we oge. Imana ba we oge ni ya nu ta no de gbe wori normal say best obasu. When on your phone, one name, my already ene. Eba my colleague in any way beg me no mao. Again, 24-bit now they have sons of legends. The boy was so amazed. Nyawa they amazed. All of them were happy because my money were do there. What they were not salary 7 re. There now we have a video. I want a video. I go get some around to everybody what they phone. I call it that. Wagu we video ni. Wagu one on wagu we knock back. Normal say best ebony. But my one audio to confirm it to audio ni ogbagbeje on egbe because eni awa ti erin awuwe ni ati oga wuwe yan wa gbe audio ni. Yeah, I feel well. Yeah, I feel what me group and they all did it. They all did it to spoil 24 bit show. But to saloba ma kwe. Once a mujano mane ete. Saloba ma kwe. But the audio ni ma wakaka bon me. Ogo ni a colleague me awa call me na kama me give no sunu give no sunu give no sunu. Audio ni ma wa me ni oga patapata vin ya eno. Ima ni sweni yenu. I suppose wa ya fe anu ere no wa ya think ige go wan okin. On a work audio game one hami away. Let me why go do video for this person. You don't know so this man I first start this show. No no so this one. Mama send that get the right for authorities. No one on your show. I send a voice note in you. Live video na do I send a voice note in you. So sasi to boy we very right on my hand. So that aside. So let's go back to the audio. Maybe don't send her. Okay, let's go back to the audio. Okay, let me start from the beginning. Wa da me o do wa hon wa betamame. Do wa hon wa betamame. Do wa hon wa betamame. So now yeah. So mo start. I want start on director, not vessel. Say I play this audio. I be not want playing, but your I tell you where your rest. Your friends, they honor your boss who do know this. So I have to play it. Please don't be angry because you might tell me down. If you know matter you way. So guys. Are you listening? I want to really tell you guys how the audio tester because Bonnie needed it yesterday. She said, "Maga gia. Okay, waiting maga gia. So yeah, how we man ni gia. I was just trying to prove a point to Maris to tell Maris be girl enough to always say the truth at any time. Don't put lies on people because you want to gain favor from somebody. Always own up to your mistakes. If you have made mistakes, when you are making mistake, I will agree to it. I will not just come and say, oh, if you're still now Senina we name you or Adeganatos here or Classic Gloria here or some locals here or Shanopam here or Ishmael or Bimos here or Ikaveri. I will just say mistake in or allow where agree. That is it. So guys, let's play it. We are making we are no more supposed to make
Jeff, what's na do ko no de Facebook na. But Jeff, oko wa de festina we boni. Tafia ye mere ma me I the food gist. Me action one right now.
Unayera, from this conversation, mo try talk through. Not be person starter. Not be married start the conversation. Not be married talk to the person. So the person can't reply.
Really, me man a yekirio. Ideni ahiani yage. Me man fi me sunu si meti are location festina ve na wa e job e me ya we na me we job e po. O ma tete ni issue ropa. Me have a tie festina in name no so I'll get back to you but me ka ready film ne.
Unayera. Now she actually talked to the person. I just want the point can't give you now to open person here. Now she actually now Maris actually voice the person. Not saying that the person can't voice Maris, can't force Maris to talk. Hey, unstoppable. Now you want finish. I'm not fit to when you think Bemilano bo. Men gonna Bemilano bo wala go. So now the thing come. Now may I repeat that again. May I repeat that again. May I start all over again. Mona listen again or the thing take start.
Jeff, wasunu na doko no de Facebook na. But Jeff, oko wa dele festina we boni. Tafia ye mere ma me I the food gist. Me action one right now.
Now yeah. Then my director can't reply. Can't say yeah.
Really, me man a yekirio. Ideni ahiani yage. Me man fi mi sunu si mete are location festina ve na wa e job e me ya we na me we job e fu. O ma tete ni issue rock ba. Me have a tie festina in name no so I'll get back to you but me ka ready film ne.
He not even know what thing they happen. He was not aware that everybody like anything for Facebook. He's not aware. Some of you know not be Jeff not be your boy. No, not they understand. He was a director for Festina set. Now he direct the film for Festina for the Obo house. You understand? But my sister Amaris can't come out for Facebook because they talk saying people now if they tell her what he do. That was wrong, baby girl. Because you try to spoil other people because you say you want to gain friendship. That is a very wrong thing to do. That is a very wrong thing to do. So, after my director talk, say, he never say anything for Facebook because he dey busy. He dey work for Okobo house. Salomon, when I oh easy. In they work for they go for the Obo house. So he never get time. He never get Sharon, he never get time to look what thing they happen for Facebook. So now Maris continue with the conversation. Now she say, Mona listen to a reply. She say,
again, Omana advisor, yeah, advising me. What is wrong with her? They know a problem, okay? Ugaseneboni. The name in Ebony building now. The name Asha wanna build the layer. No, ya would be a for a do. She had the effrontery to go on Facebook and post that. Oh, again Asha, wiki she anyway. Okay, o me get Pamela Yuki Williams. On in a post. She's already made yena bros. Where men winner. Men iwari love ye internet me wire ye. So yeah, what posted 1-2 minutes me mione. On in a post. So where Pana miewe mani we fi mi do ima bobe gbima we akubere everywhere gbima le jealousy wa gba eya e o tin ebody na ya post yo ni shalom on na ya post yo everybody na ya post yo ya comment we na we dey here she mad. Wow, you see this life and bros agbona talk gbe yo gbere ya wo pe a e wo tore Eleni na twinny, honey, sugar, bestie, amagi yere. In less than many minutes now. If no matter say 1 year, Eleni na turn around. Oh my baby bunny. When I'm hearing your pale like my agree. Right now, you're a Sandra, in your gbegwa refo. When you can gbegwa. But say I'm a basic, but say I'm a I don't get it. Yewe princess Akezwa kore yewe Sharo kore yewe nile Festina kore wo sunu oma metota.
So now Jeff now my director can reply and say no, he can't reply and say Mona listen.
We watch out for the return match of Ogin Evizi Shine. But one thing you should know, if you not see an Ebony not popular everywhere in quarreling and all this issue, it's a bit even with her where what is wrong with her. When I wonder what is wrong with her, oh yeah, I met TJ popular, but really may then wonder. Mano, what ma forget so me ma de bon video. In way I will me guess me ma yo ya ge. Ma ikpa me gbe real life me ya drop on and drop any. Ari ave you know. Me ma yo ya ge me when ya ge na not all women or we ko kan ye. O kan ma kan is okay. You see sometimes mama or irrelevant if I were Festina Peters then I was posting I won't reply. It was always Zuayo because the person or person I were or TV or you see, a bame has a miseroni here, but let's just leave it. It was the telephone were no verse if you phone. A meaning bonus, but I don't talk, I don't argue. So when you committed bonus, in opposite my because in me, Omanati, I see me now was your name on and I walk away. It's okay, give my call again, femino. I worry, my dear girl. Me akpane me ati wenu do bu me ade ni ma mo picture na post kan bo webo. I is post we webo. Iyan wo da bet agbe ekiri ma ri ayo ma agbe wo ni ma ye yo. Apattention, ti a wu.
Now they hear. So from there, Maris can reply. Say, be Ebony, you want to hear the full audio? I go send the full audio for you. May you they listen. Because I know say you they watch me now. Next time, hey, you brag. A bragging even we are brag. The one we are brag. The one we are yet in me. Might don't understand. I hate people who brag. Me tell you the matter settle and they'll die. But the way we are going, more are coming for you. The Liberation Day is coming, guys. Wait for that day.
I will leave that girl gist. Ebony don't taba. Edwegide. I know myself. I give him. She don't tamba. Which they do her own. They no talo. I be aware no lawa. Iba Edwegide came like yes. He did it. Bro, let her job. I'm leaving me relax. Hope your day went well.
So, Norma said best, Ebony, that was the full audio. Since you wanted to listen to the full audio, yesterday you were telling you no gay. Yeah, we cut. So, I just feel like me, I don't even do everything once. Me, I know say I don't rest for this matter. Something just they tell me, I just do the Liberation Day today. So, now don't hear the full audio now. Ebony needed it. Ebony, you don't hear her now, B. You don't hear her because yesterday you were just boasting online, saying they cut her, they do this one, they do. Me borogbe, and the man why I believe you were. Me na was a man I believe you were. Borogbe. I got borrowed. The one where I borrowed, the one where I reacting me. And they give you a expo now. If you calm down. Say you enter, you just face your own business. Now when you're free to do your thing. You just like in Nuga Atano there where I saw a post where colleagues you were and stop a video where everybody about you. I put it to you, Mama a video. I don't watch you. If I was sending you, I must send a email inbox. If you want me to bring it out, I can bring it out. Mama with a video where no there. Everybody is ashamed that you don't know how. Uma gave a Facebook in the community, a Facebook in the guideline. Maybe Nuga Atalo was wrong, or say anything video where. Or maybe the redhead in the manga avion was too much, or say because Mega Begaya where I fancy where we have a do report of women. It might tell me not bad. I'm just doing my thing. Maybe a Nuga Atalo was bad, so I drop a video. Uta know that we already know I'm very good when it comes to internet. Thank you. I'm not praising everyone. I'm very good when it comes to internet. I'm an internet guru. No, I never reached guru. I'm an internet lover. You understand? I'm very good when it comes to internet. Because of that one, when I feel him go stop a video when on there, man, I'm a coming. Me like in we are tell on Facebook itself. Me like a because when we go missing, go off points. So me go like anyone full leg beway. Imagine me like anyone disgrace leg beway with Facebook so that the man make an agba. So me yet to stop a video where because I stop me in evidence. So me prefer we go away video me have evidence. me one like no so in come when now even you think very ni mag better class in no do I stop you stop a video way. What's the meaning of that? What's the meaning you are going to live video? I can't do that. I'm bigger than that already. You should know by now. You should know by now. So let me only back to sender. So guys, then should I play this audio or should I just leave it? Just confused whether to play the audio or to leave it. The audio is too many. I don't even know where to start from. Funny enough, wetin Ebony no know be say. Wetin she no know be say as we dey many people go dey reach out to me. My phone full. And so many people call me for Madison well. Emani buno calling me for well bungbe. Man that thing here. Here wa gogo. Here wa pon me. So where you pon ya ye ni gogo ya ma e biene. Ya na ya gba ogewe. Agba o ga ajo bushi e mi po bayi. Ye na agba ogewe na we mi ya nu e. Anu ma ha mi ya ubiene, mo be ha mi ya we gbe ama. That's bad. That's fraud. Oh, we bien, they took on and go, we bien, we see ne. Was your mom, na see my sister. I command no money can have a way. Na they proud of no. Na they proud no. Ojo ni bungbe, me make ni me ake swing. I beg audio. I got audio pokwa. See audio plenty. Sometimes I don't really want to play it. But no, forget about that Maris and Ebony. And they know it's a friendship. No way myself we invite the same thing about him. It's a friendship. They have right to be friends. That's not my business. A business only a business in me. And the marriage is yagban a Facebook or so we marriage la. They didn't marriage magben ni. A marriage egaru issue now. She will not even be inside this issue. Yeah, the end because my can again, but a can is quite different. Because Ebony we are commenting yogo game wune. So that thing really touched me because I say unwe. Imagine ya work on once we life in and apart from this moment in una. I'm sorry about wo ya bome. Imagine ya work I took you as my own. Everything I gave to you. I never wanted to treat you bad. But you keep fighting against me. Keboke ya lele me been at a time not a dog of industry. Was all about the movement by Benak by Bay. You understand? So you make back bay. But that to my day no, I don't want to do any page show for anybody. I was just joking yesterday. I'm not in for any paid show. And I want to say thank you to everybody who subscribed to Classic Gloria YouTube channel. And that really make me thank you all. You guys are the real MVP because I'm a real bonnet. Okay, I can't marry. The only place now I want to can marry is tago game gune we that one don't die. Everybody been post a man is now comment yogi me gune we that one don't die. So the thing really pain me. I not believe say I wanna really I have a wish of my death. And the thing really shocked me because That was what I least expected that from Maris. I got man over yam. I least expected that from you. I get your gist to plenty, but because we be family, Maris, I go leave you. Your gist plenty. People call me from different countries telling me about you. This is the way you get gay. I will leave that aside for now. But what I want to really talk about now, I want to really advise a lot of women, both in Benin and the ones who are abroad. And no, this will not be women, the men. I want to advise many of the men. When you are married, you should stick to your wife. If you don't love your wife, you better, if you feel like say you want shook, one way me. Why have you we be again? Ya we be again. Why you shook any wa we were? Why you shook any wa we were? There's no need you handle ya where you handle zom and say what do aro a bodo day. Because sometimes you don't know which kind of girls are like people like Ebony. I'm not going you. I'm not going you where this one a bad girl, that one a good girl, this one an enemy girl. So sometimes we should be careful. We should be careful with how we deal with things. We should be careful how we deal with such things. You understand? We should be careful because the way some guys say desperate when it comes to men, especially men, especially ready-made men on megone. The way some guys say desperate for men, we don't already dey okay. The desperation how if you even listen to some audio, you even they cry. They cry because you know they really.
I know for a second. She can't say the solution you understand. I mean, I don't know. I can't explain. You know, if I show you the day when I first did when I did Benin, because actually I left Benin when I was very young. I left when I was about 22. You know, so yeah.
This audio, I go only play one way they important because the rest now actually. I don't say the yeah. Me they hear your voice for inside. My mom, they actually tell me to calm down. I never play the audio. I want just give you an example. I'm not gonna play too much of them because the audio is actually too much. But I go advise my friend. No, she's not my friend. My colleague. I will fetish missing in ya mwikbia. Hey Yahweh, Emma. Mama say, Mary hair tie, a yagbon my ma. So na me ego ya no emi obian rock my tin ya we yagbon. Because ego na me o de no mama o de no mama result. I don't even need the viewers and Bulu Sabi or anywhere. If you be say now the viewers now day after this, I they tell you say now liberation of men. Liberation day. I don't want to come out again. I want just do everything together because I can't shift and can't go down that. You can't get CCP. Let me just do everything once. Not good. All those the thing. If you dey look, if some of those you go listen to, you go really they feel them. You not good. You know, if you just find money. That man where you use that charm for a person I born. That man is just like your own brother. Imagine say girl, can't use charm take catch your brother. How you go feel? You will not like it. So Emina ono sunu dama. Emina ono sunu dama. I wear dama because we not tenikbia. We not tenikbia. We not tenikbia. So I wear no guy who that way. I wear dama because now wear that one you will not be happy. It's just the truth. You will not be happy about it. Okay, my yak big me wa do da yan lelewe. Me my me ko na lele da wa be force wa be hallelujah kian. Yan wa zo yo zo rebe na ya ge baba. Me my nie that force is too much. And it's not good for you. When you measure me actress. I'm not an actress. A costume will move you pony and ya we film. Any guana expecting me me pa wa ye gbe boni wa. But if I'm again I will say I ne because he go le gbe ban expecting money away amo le keso ne e dojo ma e on bi o wani be do ame iye de gwa lo. And I will again say I ne. There's never a time, Ebony, that I'm going to fade away. But you're an actress. I'm a costumer. I will keep doing my costume work. I'll keep producing my film. It's just like Emme Song. I knew Emme Song when I was very small. Emme Song is in the industry till now. But when I was an actress, I fall by the wayside in any. Your man. So this one I go listen carefully because you might only drag anybody. I'll just play only one and one it be a I'll be you why Eko ya na wa mie awa tombomu awa lele. It's not good, you know. It's not good. It's not good. So I'm going to play this one for you guys to just understand what I'm trying to say because I don't say things here. When I say the audio here na 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Huh?
You know be saga person. You get your own job.
But I want you to play one, only one. My mother the same I not playing.
Small. The job you give them, you don't reach.
I'll just play small for the audio. I just play small so that many people will actually get sense. I not play till the end. I just play the part where it important. They beg you, let me play the audio. Yeah, that's where I want really to play. I want really play some things. May I tell you, say how these people they actually get their money from this forceful relationship. But then you go, and it says sometimes the things they really baffle me. So guys, you know, listen.
When I left Battle 2, so I came here around there. So I was still very young when I came here. So I mean, able to know near that time I didn't been able to know near for anywhere, you know. I know. I mean, it's very difficult to explain. I don't understand. Once, if she, I don't, you know, it go be like some kind of magnetic field, you know, magnetic field with some kind of force. So that's, I don't feel explain, you know, I don't feel explain. I just think they start saying, she can't tell me, say, okay, she just can't come, she gonna say she need to, I'm not gonna say, she's gonna say she want to do this UK runs, blah, blah, blah. Say she want to do UK visa at that time, I think when they said they go UK, She can't say they say she pay a heavy money for account. Now I tell her say, they say she need 5K, 5M. Now I tell her say, Capital Sakumbo, now from my grandpa hometown for home there, Capital Sakumbo. I call her say, Capital Sakumbo papa and my grandpa house, now 5 minutes walk. I say, no businessman will feel bring 5M come out for account. I say, people, they get invested. I call her say, me, I know they keep money for account. They always like to buy shares. I know they save money. If I get money too much for account, maybe like 500 or 500K or something. Maybe like something like that. Maybe just in the case of you never can tell, you know. So she can't talk now. As she talk, she can't cry. I mean, if you listen, she go they cry like baby. If you go they cry, she they talk say, you know, she not go to help her. And so she they complain, say now so your mama they stay with her, now so they take of so many people, and they train sister for Uniben. I mean, I can't get that you know, I can't get that she can't say this thing mean a lot to her career, you know, blah blah blah. I can't say you get people around the world now. You get at least I say I don't feel I can't say you get somebody now. You say you don't get, you say you get you call it. Yeah. I can't say okay, I can't within maybe if you I for Nigeria, I'm not Nigeria. I will send the receipt, I say get the receipt, I said I can't send her 2M within 1 week, you understand? 2M.
Naira, you say send her 2 million within 1 week. Within 1 week, he send her 2 million within 1 week. Where I want play now, where they make me fear. Now make I come out say, I may be working out me. Because we may not be a banner, who we are here, but I will not be happy. I will not be happy. May I go back? Many of them even not hear that part where they say give her 2 million.
I mean, I can't get that. You know, I can't get that. She can't say this to mean a lot to her career. You know, blah blah blah. I can't say you get people around the world now. You get at least. I say I don't feel it. I can't say you get somebody now. You say you don't get. You say you get. You call it. Yeah. I can't say okay. I can't. Within. I mean, if you I for some Nigeria, I'm not Nigeria. I will send the receipt. I say get the receipt. I said I can't send her 2M within 1 week. You understand? 2M. So because I borrow. You understand? Because I will send the receipt. I can't send the receipt. After them, my sister, if I tell you what I passed through, I say before my this thing, because you know say you get going on a day from Benin that time. We don't quarrel, I just travel here. So we still be friends. They get don't marry, and we be friends, the husband know me. So I don't feel call my people. They'll say, which kind of stupidity to be? You know what I mean now? You know, baby, they'll say when you go, they'll say you get because and they carry my family, they go home all the time. You understand? So even you don't want me, now they look for me since then. That time I understand at the moment when she borrowed, I should be look for.
Who be this Adesuwa? Adesuwa say Mugu for. Not be Mugu. I mean, say do we let go we waking. I tell you Mugu.
So I don't so I can't call that my babe. I can't say that my ex. I can't say sis. I'm not like the babe. I'm not like I can't say I just did because the girl papa get house for maybe if you don't go in go side, the girl papa get house for who stay, you know, and who stay side for you go. So now he can't say go do research. Now he can't tell me say I never tell her the babe. I can't say so I say again the babe. I say I to church. Now he can't tell me say I never tell her the babe. I can't say so I say again the babe. I say to when I drive work this morning. I say I nearly die for now small remember I for just drive come up for road. I can't say it don't happen 2 times like that. Now I can't say after I come say if I say I borrow somebody man, I never make sure this your friend name. He say the best thing make I tell the best make you forget to. Make I tell the person I borrow person human some money that make you forget to. Otherwise I go regret because don't say something I don't tell my cousin because my cousin don't tell me long time. He tell me say my cousin friend say no try am. So today I don't fit tell her. So that I tell you now say I don't tell you now. I don't need to tell husband.
The man saying they go work almost 2 times, he almost died for road. Because now the first he don't give somebody money in the hope say na borrow. But at the end, the audio I don't feel listen, the thing touch me, I don't feel your thing just give me Say, oh, your enemy almost died for road, this and that and this. Then on that story, this one, I don't even want to play. I just use my mouth to talk because there's no need for audio. One man there, America, meet my sister. The man was America 3 weeks or what do you want? The wife not even know what happened. Why go ask and say, what you want to go to? He go say, I want to go invest. He go come up 3 weeks. You know, not the distance between America and Nigeria. The distance far, where? Until the wife can finally know what thing they do for the you not tell you where my dear, we yak pane. You go hero. If I mind go ya jowa, and I do I will kind of do any no sooner. The family go ya you man no money to go out Nigeria, body go the hot time, go they cry. Agrippa. Sister, take it easy, oh. Take it easy. Life in you rock by eh. Your book can say yahin. While we la jamais not do brag, while brag, any yak befu. While we the bella can do brag, it be yafo. Be yafo. When you put a cut, ya muja ipo ya la lui ko. Udo na so agbegbe aga udo na so the work fully. Things about you I know. But say I just want to keep quiet. But you come live video, you they brag. I'm talking to you. You do this. You do that. You do this. You the provoke person. And when you may not, I provoke. I provoke me. I clap back at you. You don't provoke me. Then this same person where they collect this money, pia. You will come out. Now she know because now she can't brag for not be we because we know her. So only my kaima life that's a private life. That's a private life. But anything a person they do for life, there's always a think because you got brothers. You actually got brothers. So many men for that being. You said me, I'm a politician. I'm a registered PDP member. So I roll with politicians for my local government for my Bubaka. Just be like my power, I just call this evening, he just call me this evening. Tell me, say, Ebony, new name now. What has a guy? I work at those states, or a near Ebony. That's what my pa told me this evening. I don't want to call my pa name. But Ebony, you know why they talk. If I tell you, say my pa, because you know my pa. My pa said, now working at those states, that's supposed to be Ebony guy's name. Not be those states first daughter. I go say Ebony billion of working those states.
The first wife.
You go say Ebony billion aka of working those states. Everybody knows you. You know I'm not lying. You know very well that I'm not lying. Yesterday in your live, in your talk, say me. After everybody don't come up for the live video, I actually went back to this live video. I tried to watch, listen. I'll be person like that. I go all day my bed, I'll put my earpiece, I'll try to listen. I don't see already say you don't try to exonerate me. Come up for the matter. You want just face Festina and Sharon. You want to exonerate me, my dear. Not be Festina and Sharon call you out. Now me and I call you out. So there's no need to exonerate me. And focus on Festina and Sharon. No, you are making a mistake. They never called you out. They only came to support me because I'm their friend. Now so Mary's supposed also do to you. Mary's go see come out, come support you because you are Mary's friend. I was say they were my friends and they had a lot of things to talk about. They had to join me and talk. So you have to face me and don't face them. But I temata because the more tewe, you don't know my pa, Ebony. You don't know how well. She go, she said she go buy that one her business. She like me she buy original China. That's her business now. Property now be that don't really concern anybody now. Life that she get right to buy any bag which she want buy. If like me she go buy but the only part where I don't like now. They mention industry. I don't like it. You have a free choice to live your life. Nobody, I'm not holding you. You are not holding me. And everybody's living their life. Do you understand? But if you are doing something in life, always have a rethink. Because when you let a presenting river, you have brothers. If tomorrow, the person can't do you all those things, can't do your brother all those things, you not go there happy. Yes. You will not be happy. You will be the one to be shouting, hey, I'm not make power. What I look better ya fair here. I may what bonu here, Joe. You understand? So, but where guys say, where are you? When I visual be on in the team, I will ready on in my darling. I will ready on. And let that video on why are we here? I will video. I need video. We want to see it behind gay. It's only behind gay. Eh, mama, ya waro. But where go my way, pakan. Not good now, not make sense. Gate matter might be not really make sense. Let's be truthful. Why would they name in a woman idea in a boy way? Man idea in a boy way. Udo the your way. Where, yeah, I go no why they wait to have borrow. Yeah, I go no. If you're only waiting at table, I be almost done that 2 times. I can't need to call person for house. I'll tell me say, may I leave the money for her. Not good. We work borrow for ne. We work borrow. The money you borrow, the money you larger attacking ne. The money you have larger no. Can't come away. But when me want never like one. Me want to go ne home. Ebony, I go na. I have to when I. I've been industry better and then come when I go and apologize. This one is my own fight. Because I know that is very bad. You cannot be wishing me death. You cannot be wishing me death. New one year ago. Since 2 years, okay, wishing me death. Imagu, when my year wherever. Where? I want to attack gune for 2 years. I want imagu. You rest. On our one behalf of Ebony, with the Ebony Association, waiting happen to an association.
Say that they beg. We could forgive. We not forgive man.
Me tell you where they now that black way come black yesterday for a no gay platform. The thing really pain me. What way you're learning me? Ebony, let me run from you. You know how I take run from you. You know how. You know how. You understand? You know how I take on from you. So I don't run, I don't come on because I don't want fetish life. I've also went on industry to where the year go. I be only on year after the larger. People are boiling back home. Even I was still where best you no comment here post where they are all angry back home. Everybody is angry. Everybody really wants to come out and talk. Now same me later they say what total why go this me go why were Agbara la dia go we ale la wa. So calm down. Just like in our lab, we take time, my time, my awesome. Tell me, I borrow with Facebook, while this matter now, woundness, die down and sin. But hello, we got Latin, calm down, baby. Calm down. Calm down. So guys, I get more audio so plenty, but like my mom just said, I just want to play the key part of the audio. I know my mom asked me not to play and I'm supposed to respect her. But if everybody not stop, the day I will do live video, not there, so I'll do it for outside. My mother not going to know how they do live video. She not going to know how they do live video. You are we feed. Ebony we gugwana. Ije mo hini wakutana. Sawesi. Ebony a lot of things in you. Ebony. When I ale le chema pa. Humanity the community. Around Bawa, don't ale le chema pa. Una to wiku na mio wa wiku na wale lare wana agbe 4 days. 4 days. Echema ya go le bi ho ya ku wefu a echema na ga color wa no mu werege la o lare wa ha ku je la fa iware. Ana iwe do toge ana do wan range arrest or ando ya ku wefu a iware. I do arrange that might get come classless rich. When we mind the way we wiku, we work by ogwa. Where I gbe 4 days ago, why? Where gbe 4 days ago, why? Ogbeni le do hama we do ahia ugu pa. Ogbeni le hama we yeri ko ugu pa. Ogbeni le hama we ye hair we mi ugu pa. We no here one no wa stay yo why one we make can stay there that gunwe. And I will do arrange the police do arrest in your fair. They are boni for you one day. And I have for you one. I don't arrange the police, no do arrest in your fair.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware.